Whoa, it's back again. Actually, it has never left. Different problem. Listen. The eyeballs I got driving through town with that was bad. We got the new suspension here already. And over there was just, I made my wife turn the steering wheel and everything back and forth, and like the sound comes from like in this piece. The sound comes from like in here. I guess it's just dried out or something. Like, yeah, let's swap those out.
In this video, you will learn how to change suspension.
Every car I've owned, I had to change the suspension on it, like those dampers or whatever. Every time it's like, yeah, just 3 bolts should be easy. It's never easy. Can you imagine the eyeballs? Quick little side quest. So the squeaky comes from inside of here. That's where it comes from. I'll replace this guy, this bolt down here, and on the other side of the suspension there's one as well. And then obviously up top in the engine bay. I'm gonna loosen this guy and then loosen the bolts down in there. And then I put a jack underneath so it doesn't drop off because I don't want to take the spring out. Now it can go down. Normally on most cars you take the whole thing apart because the suspension is in the spring itself and you gotta compress the spring first and then take this out, but in this case the spring is beside it, right? So I'm just looking. This here and these two, when I get it out, I thought I could just pull it up, but this would hit this here. This would hit this. So I can't just pull it up and under. And I can't move it back far because of the spring, so I'm going to loosen it. And it could be that I'm going to have to take out this guy anyway, or take something else out of the way for this job to come be easy. It probably won't be. Oh yeah. Once you pull it out in the top, this thing will move back and forth. I think then we'll have enough room. Whoop-de-doo, we have it out. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Look at this. But why is it not squeaking now? Now I'm scared. But they look exactly the same. Just too bad I didn't order another one of these. I didn't think about that. It's completely broken. Yeah. Okay. Let's try putting this in there without destroying new parts. See right there? Just put the nut on there. So it's hanging in there so I can let go at the bottom here. And then I can adjust the camera. And now we can play around with this here. I think I'm going to put in this one first. It's this one. What you want to do after this is change your transmission fluid, because with new suspension your transmission turns faster. For everybody who doesn't know cars, I'm joking. For everybody who knows, I was joking. Got no comment. I think that's in now. It's perfect. Turned on to there. And now we can do the bottom ones. So what's wrong with this picture? I forgot this guy. Yeah, double check your work, guys. Put that one back on there and go again. I really want studs in here. This is so annoying. Gotta give that to the American cars. It's way easier to put on wheels. Man, every time I look over to the right, I just want to work on that thing. Yep. And now I'm working on this. Yeah. And that's how you do a suspension. What's that word called for that thing? Is it suspension? Dämpfer. Shock absorber. I literally had to Google it. I've been out of Canada for too long. I'm sorry, guys. That is how you swap a shock absorber. I don't hear no squeaks. Car's going down. She's down. Now I'm going to do the other side, but it's the same thing, so I'm not going to film that. Yep. She's a lot stiffer too now. I like it. Picasso. Oh, back on. We're ready. That's going to be it for the shock absorber video. More to come, so give me a follow, subscribe to the channel. I really will appreciate it and do appreciate it. Helps me a lot, will help me a lot. Yeah. It's coming, guys, it's coming. See you guys in the next one.